before anybody writes in I didn't do that to the chuck, it was like that when I got it. I did skim the back face of this so it's going to be nice and true and square and things. And next we need to find the centre. We'll put our 10 cuts in using the dividing head to put the cuts in. It's a 40:1 dividing head, so 4 turns should give us a cut each 10. Or 4 turns should put 10 divisions in. Right, we'll find the centre first, find a suitable mill and cut on, so we can get it sorted out. Right, put half that on the readout, take that back to 0. And that now is dead in the centre of the machine, so I can lock that axis off. What you don't do is put a mill and cut on there, because that's a drill chuck for drills, not for mill and cutters. So we'll put a collar chuck on there. I think it was a 5mm groove he wanted, so we can get it done. Right, I've got a 5mm slot drill in there, a Banggood one. Up. We'll just touch that off. Right, and set the depth of cut, which needs to be 4mm. Do it again, that doesn't look like 4mm to me. Just touching there. Sped up. A little bit faster, I think. It should take this in one cut. Nice and gently, I'm not in a hurry. I've got a few of these cutters, so when you've got a few, you normally do a great one. Right, that's the first one in. We'll turn the four turns. Four turns. There is a locking handle on the back of there, so you can lock it. For aluminium you don't really need to do, but for steel you do. Last one. And it looks like that evenly spaced. We'll bring it round and put it into the last one, or the first one. It's just good when you've been cutting a gear and you've been on all night and you kind of halfway tooth out. That's absolutely spot on. Right, we're back in the lathe. We'll set this parting tool up and then we can part it off. Right, we're ready to part it off. A little bit of this magic black stuff can't do any harm, I suppose. We didn't interrupt it, cut it first where the cutouts are. It has left a little piece on the back, and we'll see if I can grip it to the chuck and just machine that and put a little fillet on there, but I'm very happy with that. I can't get it running through up and down, but I can get it through running in and out. And all I want to do is whisper that front face, and then a little bit of hand finishing will do the rest of the job. I've just got a very light grip on this. Really careful. From the inside, so it cleans the thread up. Right, that was pretty good to me. A little bit of work with a needle file and it'll come up quite nicely. This is a strange sort of request cutout I've had to do. I've done quite a few of them. This one's actually a teddy bear and I'm going to put a spike on it and it's going to go into somebody's grave as like a little memorial. Anyway, we'll cut it out, see what it looks like. So you can see it's a teddy bear. I'm going to weld a spike on as well. I've done a few of these animals, aeroplanes. It's a strange request, but I always get a great deal of pleasure out of giving them to the person who's asked for them. Anyway, quite a red primer. I think I've got some darkish yellow. I'll try and mix something up and make a teddy bear colour. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching. Obviously Christmas is coming next weekend. If you believe in Christmas, I don't personally care what anybody believes in. To me, it's a time for friends and family. If you haven't spoken to somebody for some time and for some stupid reason, pick the phone up. Or better still, COVID allowing, go and see them, especially family. You don't want to be like messing about with family, because believe me, that time will come when you wish you had rang up or called to see somebody. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you all on the next one.